Process Curriculum Model by Tanner Warren. The process model, what is it? Well, the process model contains components of student choice, interest, social life skills, and the environment. It emphasizes that the process rather than the end result is more important to the curriculum. It gains student interest because of the individualized curriculum, and the process model is an individualized curriculum in which creates more of a holistic approach. And the process model is great because it allows for differentiated instruction, which we will talk about in just a second. How to apply the process model. Applying the process model is effective for student outcome, but how do we incorporate such a model? We use differentiation of instruction, which is catering to individualized needs of students based on academic level. For example, if a group of students in a classroom are all at different academic levels for a particular subject, then a teacher can apply the process model in order to individualize the assessments given to each student. And usually the teachers will separate the differentiated instruction into groups of like A, B, and C, or blue, yellow, red, just to make it easier on the teacher. And the students usually tend to not know that they're being broken into groups, that they're working on different things, but in the end, they all learn the same thing. Behaviorist theory and the process model. The behaviorist theory believes that each individual student can be taught based on past experience of culture, play, or behaviors. It can be stated that behaviorist tendencies are that of learning based upon prior knowledge. How does this relate to the process model? The process model, as described previously, has to do with experience being the basis of the model. Behaviorists believe that socialization with peers is most prevalent and that socializing with others can teach students to learn. And here are my references. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful rest of the semester.